Today, we're gonna take a look at some worms in my shrimp tank. Don't go anywhere. What is up, YouTube and all my fish keeping friends? How's it going out there in fish tank land? This is Joseph Hardin from JH Aquatics, and today I want to talk to you guys about some worms that I found in my shrimp tank. So let's just take a little closer look, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about them. Now, I was just a little worried when I found these worms in my tank. I was freaking out. I didn't know what they were for sure. So I definitely had to take some of them and put them under the microscope and get a little closer look. Now, with a little bit closer look, I had the opportunity to find out that they weren't anything really dangerous. They were actually just earthworms, aquatic earthworms. The scientific name for these earthworms is Oligochaeta. Now, that covers all earthworms, both terrestrial and aquatic earthworms. Now, these Oligochaeta worms have a very segmented body, a very spacious body cavity, which is used as a hydroskeleton. The majority of aquatic Oligochaeta are very small, tube-like worms with a very transparent body where you could see all of the organs inside. These aquatic worms burrow into the substrate or live amongst the vegetation, and they usually live in shallow freshwater environments. The remaining segments do not have any appendages, but they do have little clusters of hair-like bristles. And these do tend to be longer and aquatic forms of earthworm. Each segment of this worm has 4 bundles of these bristles, 2 on the bottom and then 2 on the sides. A number of segments in the forward part of the worm are modified with secretory glands which help in reproduction. Most Oligochaeta are detritus feeding worms. They have a crop area for storage of food, and they also have a gizzard for grinding up food. The esophagus of these worms also contain calciferous glands, which excrete calcium carbonate, which help in the digestion of food. There are also a number of yellowish chlorogogan cells, which are found amongst the intestine and surrounding the main blood vessel. They form a tissue that's function is very similar to a vertebrate's liver. You can also find some of these cells floating freely amongst the body cavity. These cells are called ileocytes. So I'm really happy to find out that these worms are not dangerous. They're actually good. They do eat and break down detritus within the aquarium. Now, it is important to realize that these worms do secrete ammonia, which is going to help create an ammonia spike in your aquarium as well. So I'm really happy to know that these worms are safe for my aquarium, and it's really nice to know that they have been reducing in population since I've been keeping the tank a little cleaner and feeding a little less. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this helped you guys out. If you have worms like this in your aquarium, don't stress, don't worry. They are safe for your aquarium. Now, if you do have a worm that is flat and scooching across the glass, that might be planaria. But these are definitely more of a tubiflex earthworm and safe for the aquarium. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys taking the time to like, share, and comment on my content. It means the world to me. If you're not subscribed to this content, you like it, and you want to see more of it, go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. And remember guys, keep your tanks clean, your fish fed, and have fun.